Mary just produced a CD. She sells her CD for $6. Also, Amanda just released a new CD. Her CD costs $7 each. After the first weekend, they sold a total of 163 CDs for $1,060. How many more CDs did Amanda sell than Mary? So to begin, we need to set up a system of linear equations. So let's let M equal the number of CDs Mary sells and A equal the number of CDs Amanda sells. So now we want to create our equations, and we notice that one part of this tells us that they sold a total of 163 CDs. So we know that the number of CDs Mary sells plus the number of CDs Amanda sells is going to equal 163. So that gives us our first equation. Now we also know that Mary's CDs cost $6, so we can represent that by 6M, and Amanda's CDs cost $7, so $7 times the number of CDs Amanda sells, and we know that will equal $1,060. So now we have our two equations, and we can begin to solve these equations using substitution. So let's set this first equation equal to A by subtracting M from each side, so we get A equals 163 minus M. Now we can substitute this in for A in the second equation. So we're left with 6M plus 7A, and we know A now is 163 minus M equals 1,060. Now we need to simplify this and solve for M. So we have 6M plus 1,041 minus 7M equals 1,060. And we have, if we combine our like terms, we have 6M minus 7M, which gives us a negative M. And if we subtract the 1,141 from each side, that leaves us with negative M equals a negative 81. So we want to divide each side by negative 1 to get M equals 81. So we know Mary sold 81 CDs. But now we need to figure out how many CDs Amanda sold. So let's plug this M value back into one of our equations in order to find A. So we have A equals 163 minus M, but we know M is now 81. So if we solve this, we have A equals 82. So now we know Amanda sold 82 CDs and Mary sold 1 CD, and the question is, how many more CDs did Amanda sell than Mary? So we see that Amanda sold 1 more. So the answer is E.